Hello everyone, my name is Jared and this is my honest review of the Pelican Vault V800 hardshell case. So I'm a huge fan of Pelican cases. In fact, this is my third one. I've got 2 rifle cases as well as a multiple pistol case. Phenomenal products, they do a great job. Now I said this is an updated review because I've had this case now for about 8 months and I absolutely love it. This is a double-sided case. There are multiple color options available. I picked the dark green just because it looked cool and it's something different that I don't have. Let's go through the various components. This case is solid. There's no doubt about it. I've thrown it back in my truck before. I've taken it traveling, no issues with it. Everything was perfect inside of it, safe, didn't get scratched, zero didn't get messed up on the rifle scopes. 100% happy with it. There are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 latches, as well as 1, 2, 3, 4 spots in order to secure this with a lock if you so choose. 2 carry handles. You have the one on the front, and then you have the one on the right-hand side. If you use this one, that corresponds with the wheels that are on the back side. So very easy to move this, for example, through an airport. 100% approved for TSA, so no issues there either. Now, one thing I also like is this right here. It basically gasps air, so if you're traveling, your case doesn't get basically airlocked. It's a nice feature. Basically, it's just a little pressure relief device. Very cool, but very well thought out by Pelican. When you open it up, you have tons of insulation in here. Now this is supposed to be for 2 rifles, and I'm gonna be completely honest, I have definitely put more than 2 in here at once, no problem whatsoever. Very thick insulation, as you can see. This is probably 1.5 to 2 inches in thickness, which I absolutely love. And then you open it and you have the same thing again, more insulation on the bottom. Now, for me personally, when I went deer hunting this past season, I had actually 4 rifles in here. I had my lever action, I had my standard X-bolt, and then on the other side of things, I had a 22 and I had an AR. Everything fit fine, nothing moved, everything was safe and secure, no bumping of the rifles amongst each other. Very, very, very pleased with it. Now, keep in mind, this is a bigger case, it does have some weight. That's one of the things that comes with a very sturdy case. But if you're looking for something that's gonna get the job done, that you can carry 2+ rifles in it, you can travel with it, you can lock it up, you can basically put true locks on in order to keep it 100% secure so nobody takes the contents inside. Something you may want to look at. Pelican makes a phenomenal product. Like I said, this is my 3rd case. I will continue to buy more Pelican cases if and when I need more in the future.